Hello students, welcome all of you in Pass Thawanu Panchamrut program, which is jointly organized by the HB Kapadia group of schools and GSTV. Myself, I am Ravindra Dave. Friends, in last episode, we discussed 2 marks question for subjective part, and again continuous discussing this 2 marks question in this episode also. Let us see question number 7. It is a question from chapter number 6, application of derivative, and this is an important question. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is, first question strictly increasing, second question strictly decreasing. So first remember the result, the formula for increasing and decreasing function. The result is, if derivative of function is greater than 0 for proper domain, it is increasing function, and derivative of function is f dash x less than 0, it is a strictly decreasing function. If it is less than or equals to 0, then decreasing function. If only less than 0, then strictly decreasing function. So friends, in this question we have to find the interval in strictly increasing and strictly decreasing function. So we apply derivative is f dash x less than 0 and greater than 0. Not equal to 0 is not applicable here. Okay. So first step, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. Differentiate both sides. So d by dx of f of x is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square. So 3 into 2, 6x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. So 2 into 3, 6x. And derivative of x is 1. So minus 36. So f dash x is 6x square minus 6x minus 36. Now taking common the value 6, we get the result 6 into x square minus x minus 6. Factorize the result, x square minus x minus 6 is 3 into 2, 6. So the factor is minus 3 and plus 2. So we get the result 6 into x minus 3 in x plus 2. Now for finding the interval in increasing and decreasing function, we put this value on number line, and if we put the value on number line, there are 3 main intervals. One is minus infinity to minus 2, second minus 2 to 3, and the third one from 3 to infinity. Now in which interval f dash x is greater than 0, which intervals f dash x is less than 0, we have to check by taking one example, one number. From 3 to infinity, if we take any number like 4, 5, 6, greater than 3, any number. So if we take number 4 here, put in f dash x. So if we put here 4, so 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 plus 2 is 6. The value of f dash x is greater than 0, and if f dash x is greater than 0, the given function is strictly increasing function. So in 3 to infinity, the function is strictly increasing function. Similarly, from minus infinity to minus 2, it is strictly increasing, and minus 2 to 3 is a strictly decreasing function. Okay. So student, this is an important question for 2 mark from chapter number 6. Now we understood one more question from chapter number 7. Limit 0 to pi by 2. Limit 0 to pi by 2. Find integration of root sin x upon root sin x plus root cos x dx. In this question of solution, you have to apply first theorem number 1. Theorem number 1, if f of x is given and 0 to a limit, then we put f of a minus x result first in a question in a function f of x. So here we put, where is x? Where is x? We put pi by 2 minus x, a minus x rule. So root of sine pi by 2 minus x upon root of sine pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x. As we know very well, student, sine pi by 2 minus x is a result for cos x, is a trigonometric function result. So here we write cos x, here we write cos x, here we write sin x. So result is root cos x upon root cos x plus root sin x. This is result number 2. Now adding this result from LHS side and RHS side, so result is I plus I is equal to 2I, and LCM means denominator of these two result is common. Please see here, root sin x plus root cos x. So LCM common, so we adding the numerator term root sin x plus root cos x. So we get root sin x plus root cos x divided by root sin x plus root cos x. So we get the result integration 1. And now we know very well integration of 1 is a x. So integration 1 x, put the upper limit pi by 2 and lower limit 0. So we get pi by 2 divided by 2. So result is pi by 4. So student, for this question, this is the method for 2 marks question. If this question is asked for MCQ, please remember the shortcut formula. If 0 to a function given is in form of f of x upon f of x plus f of a minus x, so we write direct answer a upon 2. A upon 2, that means student, upper limit divided by 2. Upper limit divided by 2. In which form you have to apply this shortcut? F of x upon f of x plus f of a minus x. Student, it's an important result for MCQ. Please note down f of x upon f of x plus f of a minus x is in this form. The answer is upper limit divided by 2. So pi by 2 divided by 2, pi by 2 divided by 2, result is pi by 4. So in MCQ question, you give directly answer from this shortcut method. Similar question here given, student, 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 5x upon sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x. Same steps, applying same step, we get the answer. And for MCQ, the result is, for MCQ, the result is 0 to pi by 2 limit. So upper limit divided by 2. So pi by 2 divided by 2 is pi by 4 answer. Next question from chapter number 8. Chapter number 8 is application of integrals. For application of integrals, we have to find 2 type of question for 2 marks. One for respect to x-axis area and another for respect to y-axis area. Student, we will discuss this type of questions after. Welcome back, students. Again continues in question number 10. Find the area of region bounded by y square is equals to 9x with limit x is equal to 2 and x is equals to 4 and x-axis with respect in first quadrant. So in this question, student, first we have to take the limit for x-axis. In a question, limit given 2 to 4. So first we take the integration limit a to b y dx result limit 2 to 4. And now y. What is y? Y square is equals to 9x. So student, y is equal to 3 root of x. So by applying the formula to find area, the given limit is from 2 to 4 y dx. Y again 3 root x dx. 3 into root x integration x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Student, we apply here integration result x raised to n. The integration for x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So here x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, we write here inverse into 2 by 3, and by applying the limit we get the result area of an parabola. Student, this equation is given for parabola. For understand the question, see the graph here. Y square is equals to 4ax standard form parabola is in shape of C. Here the given limit, and we have to find the area between these two vertical line. X is equals to 2 and x is equals to 4 here. Please see student here, what is the mention for this area? Area only in first quadrant. So we write here the area finding the first quadrant only. Okay student. Next, if quadrant is not given, right? Student, please see here, if quadrant is not given, so the closed area for fourth quadrant is also between 2 to 4 line. So in this case, what we have to do? Our answer multiply by 2, right? Our answer multiply by 2 if the respective quadrant is not given in question. Okay. Next question student, find the area bounded by the ellipse. The equation x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equals to 1, right? As we know very well, ellipse and a circle, these two equation is always symmetric about both axes, means x-axis and y-axis. So in this area, if we have to find ellipse, so first we find the area of first quadrant, and multiply by 4, so we get the result for the ellipse. So first, for integrate this result to find this area, we take a limit for x-axis or we take a limit for y-axis, because ellipse and circle is a symmetric about both axes. So if you take x limit, then it is okay for question. If you take y limit, then it is also okay for the solution of question. So here we take a limit for x-axis 0 to 4. As you know very well, the area respect to x-axis is applying by the formula integration a to b y dx. So here integration a to b y dx, so integration 0 to 4 y dx, and we have to part complete area. We have to find complete area, so we multiply by 4. Because in this integration we only find area of first quadrant. Okay, so we have to multiply by 4 to find total area. So 4 into 0 to 4, 3 by 4 into root 16 minus x square. We put here the value of y from the given ellipse equation. Okay, so 3 by 4 into root 16 minus x square. So 4 into 3 by 4 constant, 0 to 4, 16 we write here 4 square minus x square dx. Now we apply here integration formula. Integration of root a square minus x square is x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. By applying this result, student, we get the real here x by 2 into root 4 square minus x square plus 4 square means a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. What is the value of a here? 4, because a square is given 16, so 16 square root is 4. So sine inverse x by 4. And after this, if we put upper limit 4 and lower limit is 0, we get the result of, by integrating the result, we get the answer of 12 pi square units. Student, in a subjective part, it's question from 2 mark, question from 3 mark or question from 4 mark. Unit is necessary whenever comes in questions. Okay, so here we find area of an ellipse. So we write here it's a unit 12 pi square units. If you not write unit, at last 0.5 marks will be cut in board paper correction. Okay, so यहाँ पे student ध्यान रखना. Okay, next for question 11, I will give you one shortcut method to find area if it is asked in MCQ part. Learn student, remember student, x square upon a square. Ellipse result, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1. Then area of an ellipse is mod of pi AB, modulus of pi AB. This is the result to find area of an ellipse in MCQ part only. Okay, in MCQ part only, mod pi AB. Please see here student, mod pi AB. If we apply shortcut formula here, check the answer. Mod pi AB, pi a square is 16, so a is equals to 4. b square is 9, so b is equals to 3. So 4 into 3, 12 into pi, so 12 pi here answer. Okay, right? So whenever this questions comes in MCQ, not apply this type of 3, 4, 5 step, apply direct result, shortcut formula, mod of pi AB, the formula to find area of an ellipse. Okay. Next question, student, is from chapter number 9, differential equation. Find the solution of differential equation x raised to 5 into dy by dx is equals to y raised to minus 5. Whenever chapter 9 questions comes for subjective part, first you have to identify the type of differential equation. We understood, we learned 3 type of differential equation: variable separable, homogeneous differential equation, and linear differential equation. So first identify the type. See here, dy by dx into x raised to 5 equals to minus y raised to 5. If variable y and variable x are separate, then we can solve by applying variable separable method. See here, student, dx y raised to minus 5, if we divide by dy, and dx and x raised to 5 multiply by on that side, so variable separable here respect to x and respect to y, and by applying integration result we find the solution of differential equation by variable separable method. Okay, student, so we will come back after students. Now we discuss one more questions for 3 mark section. Okay, question number, find by using properties of determinants, show that x plus 4 2x 2x, second row 2x x plus 4 2x, third row 2x 2x x plus 4, value of this determinant is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x square. First step of solution, student, we first adding second row and third row into row 1. So we write here the sign R1, it gives R1 plus R2 plus R3. Student, you have to mention the step in your solution, compulsory. If you not write the step, then 0.5 marks will be cut. Okay, R1 in first row, we adding second and third row. So R1, it gives R1 plus R2 plus R3. So we get result in first row 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4. Plus see here 2x plus 2x plus x. 2x plus 2x plus x. So it is 5x plus 4, first row common. Second step, from first row we take common 5x plus 4. So from first 4, 5x plus 4 is common. Next step, now the first row is 1, 1 and 1. So we again subtract second column into column 1 and third column into second column. So we get a result 1, 0, 0, 2x, 4 minus x and 0, 2x, 0 and 4 minus x. And now expanding of this 3 cross 3 determinant, we get the result of 4 minus x square. So our answer 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x square. Student, please see here the marking system for board paper. If you write the 3 first step, you get a 1 mark. Another 2 step, you get a 1 mark. Another 2 step for expanding determinant, also 1 mark. So by this way, you get a 3 out of 3 marks. Right? Marking system is necessary because suppose in last step you have some mistake for expanding the determinant. So you get a 2 marks or 2.5 marks for a board paper. Okay, so write the step properly for 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks questions. Okay, one more question for 4 marks. It's a IMP question of textbook chapter number 4. Alpha, alpha square, beta plus gamma, first row, beta, beta square, gamma plus alpha, second row, gamma, gamma square and alpha plus beta is a third row, and we have to prove the result beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha and alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta plus gamma. First step here, we adding third column into second column, or we adding first column into third column, right? Any one of step you can take in a expansion. Okay, so here in solution, first column adding into third column. Please see here. First column adding into third column, right? So we get alpha, alpha square, alpha plus gamma, beta, beta square, alpha plus gamma, gamma, gamma square, alpha plus gamma. Again, we take common alpha plus gamma from column number 3. So we get here 1, 1, 1, and again expand the result of this determinant. So we get the answer alpha plus gamma into alpha minus beta, beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha. One more important question for 4 marks from chapter number 5. If x minus a square plus y minus b square is equals to c square, then prove the result 1 plus dy by dx square power 3 by 2 upon d square y by dx2 is constant independent of a and b. Means we have to prove derivative of this result is in constant form. Constant form means without any variable x or y. See the solution. Our equation is x minus a square plus y minus b square is equals to c square. Differentiate both sides, so we get 2 into x minus a plus 2 into y minus b into dy by dx is equals to 0. As you know very well, student, it is in variable y, implicit function. So we must write here when we differentiate y variable. When we differentiate y variable, we write there into dy by dx. Okay. So 2 into x minus a plus 2 into y minus b plus dy by dx is equals into dy by dx is equals to 0. So we take 2 common here. So x minus a plus y minus b into dy by dx is equals to 0. And again we differentiate the equation both sides. We get the second order result, which is d square y by dx2. And the value of dy by dx and d square y by dx2 put in this result, we get a constant value c here. Okay. Next question, student, it is also IMP question for 4 marks from chapter number 7, integrals, and it is apart from definite integration question. See, by using the properties of definite integral, evaluate the integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x here. Student, it's a very important question for 4 marks. Okay. Let first step 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x dx. Okay. First we have to solve this question. So we apply rule number 1, theorem number 1 is f of x, we put there f of a minus x result. Okay. So where is x? We put there pi by 4 minus x. Now pi by 4 minus x result is 10 pi by 4 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10 pi by 4 into 10x. So value of 10 pi by 4 is 1, and we take LCM of 1 plus 10x. So result is 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x, 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x dx. Okay. Now 10x cancel. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 upon 1 plus 10x. So 0 to pi by 4 log 2 upon 1 plus 10x dx. Now we adding result 1 and 2, we get 2i is equals to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x, 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 upon 1 plus 10x. Now if we take addition in log function, we have to multiply it, like log a plus log b is equals to log of AB. So if we multiply log AB, we get the result of integration of x here, and by integrating the result, we get pi by 4 log of log 2. Pi by 4 log 2, pi by 8, very sorry, pi by 8, because result is given for 2i. So 2i is equals to pi by 4, so we get answer I is equals to pi by 8 log 2. Student, please see here the marking system for 4 marks. If you apply rule number 1, you get 1 marks. Again, applying result 1 and 2, adding 1 marks more, integrate the result 1 marks and put the value upper limit and lower limit. Again, you get a final step 1 mark here. Okay. So student, in this episode, we discuss 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks, main important questions of textbook. Right, student, prepare these all questions very well and do practice, and very all the best for board exam. Keep watching Pass Thawanu Pancham.